everywhere you look.
Where?
It's in every bone of your body.
My bones?
You can find it in here, too.
It's in your heart.
You can even find it out here.
So what is it? What can be found everywhere we look?
I don't know.
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
What?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
You mean DNA?
DNA. And it's found in all living things.
Science.
DNA looks kind of like a long, twisted ladder.
Okay.
Scientists call this structure a double helix. So let's see if we can find some DNA. Those strawberries in the fridge did look pretty good.
Yum.
Strawberries, just like all living things, are made up of very, very tiny things called cells.
Cells?
Right now, all of our strawberry cells are stuck together to make the strawberry. So we need to break them apart.
If you say so. Bad idea. Ew.
I don't think those cells are stuck together anymore. We've got a lot of strawberry cells now, but I still don't see any DNA. Do you?
Nope.
The DNA is still stuck inside the cells.
Science.
Cells have lots of parts in them. One of those parts is the nucleus, and inside the nucleus is where we find the DNA. How are we going to get the DNA out of the nucleus?
I don't know.
Cells are kind of like bubbles. You have to burst them open.
But I don't have a cell-sized needle. How are we going to pop something open that's so small we can't even see it?
You tell me.
The outside of cells is kind of oily. Just like we use to get oil off of our dishes, we can use soap to pop open our cells. This is just like the dish soap that you would use at home. Mix that all together. Ooh, still kind of chunky.
Gross.
We're gonna pour our strawberry mixture through a filter.
Why?
The filter will let our cells and our DNA go through, but keep the big chunks out. We burst our cells open and we got out all those big chunks, but I still don't see any DNA.
Me either.
Why not? Right now, our DNA is dissolved in the water. We need to add it to cold alcohol. Brr. You see those jellyfish tails?
Yup.
That's our DNA coming out of the water. When we added our strawberry liquid to the cold alcohol, the DNA comes out of the solution and solidifies. The strands that you're seeing right there are DNA.
Really?
Let's shake this up to make sure we get the most DNA. Every strand that we see is pure extracted strawberry DNA. The strands in here look pretty long for having come out of those tiny cells. But each cell's DNA is 6 feet long. That's taller than me.
You don't say.
If we took all of the DNA out of your body
Ouch.
and strung it end to end, it would reach from here to the sun 600 times. But what does this DNA even do? DNA is made up of genes.
Genes?
No, not that kind of genes. Genes. Genes tell your cell what to do. They tell my hair to be orange, or they tell me to be 5 feet tall, and they tell your cells to do what to do, to be a heart cell or to be a tree cell. Without genes, our cells wouldn't know what to be. We'd all look the same. DNA is what makes the world unique. It gives us trees and plants and animals and people, and we're all so different. Huh. Who would have thought DNA would taste so good?
Could I have one?
Ha ha ha!